Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily force dark mode in every app on Google Pixel 11. So it is not exactly every single app, but every single app that tries to be changed. We're going to open up our settings, and in the settings here, we're going to go into our display and touch. Once we're here, we have the dark theme, and we're going to click here. Now we want to use it, and we're not using the standard one. We're going to be using the expanded one. And as you guys can see, after we click on the gear icon here, we can see which apps are enabled and which apps are disabled. So as you guys can see now, if I go into the maps, I should have them in dark mode. So as you guys can see, always in dark theme, save, and that's how it looks like. So pretty cool. We got it, and we can really just force it. For example, we're forcing every single app here, like VPN by Google, SIM toolkit, satellite gateway, and etc. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.